Hi there, students. Willowy. Okay, willowy is an adjective. It means attractive, thin and graceful, moving smoothly and attractive. Let's see, a willow is a type of tree. A willow tree, a weeping willow. Normally it has its branches that hang down over water. And then we use this word willowy as an adjective to say that, particularly talking about people that are very flexible, very pliant, and they're tall and thin and quite graceful as well. Okay, so a willow tree, salix is I think the Latin name for it. So a willowy person, they're lithe, they're slender and graceful. I guess an area could also be called willowy. It's got lots and lots of willow trees. Yeah, but well, that's only a description. Whereas she was a willowy blonde with long legs and slim arms. Yeah, she was very slender, very svelte. If you use this word willowy, it's saying that somebody is very graceful, gracefully tall and slender. So I don't know. I think Sharon Stone was probably quite a rather willowy figure in her day. So tall, thin, graceful, supple, somebody who bends quite easily. Willowy, svelte, thin, sylph-like. So she was pale and willowy with blue eyes. Okay, Tanya was tall and willowy. Yeah, a fair willowy girl. Okay, so not small and curvy, but tall and thin. She had long willowy legs. And I think this is the idea. You use it to talk about women. I think some guys really go for willowy girls, others don't, it depends. Okay, so willowy. Formality, this is descriptive. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Sounds a little bit literary, and well, it comes from the word willow, a willow tree, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic wilgaz, talking about a willow tree, and even in ancient Greek, helike is a willow tree as well. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Willowy.